Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts! Before we dive into the heart of one of the world's most iconic cities, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Ready to explore New York City? New York City, with its soaring skyscrapers, vibrant streets, and a contagious energy, beckons explorers from every corner of the globe. Together, let's uncover the magic that awaits in the city that never sleeps. Get ready to be swept away by the city's infectious energy, its rich history whispering from every corner, and a melting pot of cultures that will leave you breathless. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, New York City promises an unforgettable adventure. So grab your walking shoes, put on your explorer's hat, and let's dive right in. New York City, a global metropolis brimming with life, pulsates with a captivating blend of history, culture, and boundless energy. From the moment you step foot on its bustling streets, you'll be captivated by its unique charm. Imagine strolling through Times Square, its dazzling lights illuminating the night, or wandering through the tranquil oasis of Central Park. Picture yourself indulging in a Broadway show, the music and stories transporting you to another world. NYC is a city that seamlessly blends its storied past with its vibrant present, offering something for everyone. Whether you're an art aficionado, a history buff, or a foodie seeking culinary delights, the city has an endless array of experiences to offer.
No trip to New York City is complete without experiencing its iconic landmarks, each standing tall as a testament to the city's rich history and architectural grandeur. From the towering skyscrapers to the historic sites, every corner of this city tells a story. First on our list is the majestic Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and hope. This iconic statue has welcomed countless visitors and immigrants to the shores of America. Take a ferry to Liberty Island and marvel at this copper colossus up close, or capture breathtaking views of the city skyline from her crown. The experience is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Next, ascend to the top of the Empire State Building, an Art Deco masterpiece that pierces the sky. This building has been an emblem of New York's ambition and innovation since its completion in 1931. From its observation deck, you'll be treated to panoramic vistas that stretch for miles, showcasing the city's sprawling beauty. On a clear day, you can see up to 5 states from this vantage point. And as you delve into the city's past, a visit to Ellis Island is a must. This historic site offers a deep dive into the immigrant experience and the diverse roots of the American people. This poignant landmark served as the gateway for millions of immigrants seeking a new life in America. The museum's exhibits and artifacts provide a moving tribute to their journeys and contributions.
While the iconic landmarks draw crowds, New York City also harbors hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Beyond the bright lights and famous attractions, there are countless lesser-known spots that offer a unique and enriching experience. Tucked away in the Lower East Side, the Tenement Museum offers a poignant glimpse into the lives of immigrants who once called these cramped apartments home. This museum tells the stories of real families who lived in these tenements, providing a deep and personal connection to the past. Walk across the Brooklyn Bridge, an architectural marvel that connects Manhattan and Brooklyn, and be rewarded with stunning views of the city skyline. The bridge itself is a testament to human ingenuity and offers a picturesque setting for both locals and tourists alike. Escape the urban hustle and bustle in the sprawling oasis of Central Park, a green sanctuary in the heart of Manhattan. This vast park offers a variety of activities and scenic spots, making it a perfect retreat from the city's fast pace. Here, you can enjoy a leisurely stroll, have a picnic by the lake, or simply relax and soak up the serene atmosphere. Whether you're looking to unwind or engage in recreational activities, Central Park has something for everyone. And for a taste of authentic New York City life, venture into the diverse neighborhoods of Greenwich Village, Harlem, and Astoria, each with its own unique character and charm. These areas are rich in culture, history, and offer a glimpse into the everyday lives of New Yorkers, making your visit truly memorable.
While Manhattan is undoubtedly the heart of New York City, venturing beyond its borders opens up a world of enchanting escapes. Just a short train ride away lie the Hamptons, a collection of charming seaside towns known for their pristine beaches, luxurious estates, and celebrity sightings. Explore the picturesque vineyards and sample award-winning wines in the Hudson Valley, a region renowned for its natural beauty and historic sites. Or immerse yourself in the vibrant arts and culture scene of Beacon, home to the renowned Deer Beacon Art Museum. These day trips offer a refreshing change of pace from the city's hustle and bustle, allowing you to reconnect with nature, explore charming towns, and create lasting memories.
New York City's energy is contagious, and there's no better way to experience it than by immersing yourself in its vibrant street life. From street food vendors serving up mouth-watering delicacies to street performers showcasing their talents, the city's streets are a constant source of entertainment. Check out the local calendar for festivals and events happening during your visit, from cultural celebrations to food festivals and art fairs. Sample the city's diverse culinary offerings, from Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy neighborhood eateries. And don't forget to experience the city's legendary nightlife, with its jazz clubs, rooftop bars, and live music venues. New York City is a city that never sleeps, and there's always something exciting happening around every corner.
Navigating New York City can seem daunting at first, but with a little planning and these insider tips, you'll be traversing the city like a pro. The subway is the most efficient way to get around, connecting all 5 boroughs. Purchase a Metro card for unlimited rides and familiarize yourself with the subway map. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, as you'll find yourself exploring the city on foot. Take advantage of the city's many parks and green spaces for a break from the urban jungle. And most importantly, embrace the city's energy and don't be afraid to ask locals for directions or recommendations. New Yorkers are known for their helpfulness, and they're always happy to point you in the right direction.
Section 8. Indulge your inner foodie. A culinary journey through NYC's diverse flavors. New York City is a melting pot of cultures, and its culinary scene reflects this diversity in the most delicious way possible. The city is a haven for food lovers, offering a unique blend of traditional and contemporary cuisines. From street food vendors to Michelin-starred restaurants, the city offers an endless array of flavors to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're in the mood for a quick bite or a luxurious dining experience, NYC has it all. Start your day with a classic New York bagel with cream cheese and lox, or grab a slice of pizza from one of the city's countless pizzerias. These iconic foods are just the beginning of your culinary adventure. For a taste of Italy, head to Little Italy for homemade pasta and cannoli. The charming streets and authentic flavors will transport you straight to the heart of Italy. Explore the vibrant flavors of Chinatown, where you can find everything from dim sum to Peking duck. The bustling markets and aromatic dishes make it a must-visit for any food enthusiast. And for a truly unforgettable dining experience, indulge in a multi-course tasting menu at one of the city's world-renowned restaurants. These establishments offer not just a meal, but a culinary journey that will leave a lasting impression.
Section 9. Experience the city's artistic soul, museums, galleries, and Broadway shows. New York City is a haven for art lovers, with world-class museums, galleries, and theaters showcasing the finest in human creativity. Spend a day at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, home to an astounding collection of art spanning centuries and cultures. Immerse yourself in modern and contemporary art at the Museum of Modern Art, or explore the works of American masters at the Whitney Museum of American Art. For a taste of Broadway's magic, catch a matinee or evening performance of a Tony Award-winning musical or a thought-provoking play. And don't forget to explore the city's vibrant street art scene, where murals and graffiti transform ordinary walls into captivating works of art.
Section 10. Shopping paradise. From luxury boutiques to vintage finds. New York City is a shopper's paradise, offering everything from luxury boutiques to vintage finds and independent designer shops. Stroll down Fifth Avenue, home to flagship stores of iconic designers like Tiffany & Company, Gucci, and Prada. Explore the trendy boutiques and vintage shops of Soho, or head to the Meatpacking District for high-end fashion and designer showrooms. For unique and locally made goods, check out the artisan markets and craft fairs that pop up throughout the city. And don't forget to bargain hunt at the city's many flea markets, where you can find everything from vintage clothing and antiques to handmade jewelry and art.
Section 11. Until next time, keep exploring. As our New York City adventure comes to an end, I hope you've been inspired to experience the magic of this incredible city for yourself. From its iconic landmarks and hidden gems to its vibrant culture and endless entertainment, New York City truly has something for everyone. Before you go, I'd love to hear about your favorite New York City experiences in the comments below. Have you visited any of these must-see sites? What are your top recommendations for first-time visitors? And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.